channel Code by Vansh, and today we are going to solve the question kids with the greatest number of candies. So let's begin. So in this question what we have given there are n kids with candies. You are given an integer array candies where each candy I represent the number of candies ith kid has an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candy that you have. Return a boolean array result of length n where result I is true if after giving ith kid all the extra candies they will have the greatest candies of number among all the kid or return false otherwise. Note that multiple kids can have greatest number of candies. Okay, so this is an easy question. So how we are going to solve this? So if this is the array 2 3 5 1 3 and I have extra candies which is given 3. So what I am going to see, first I am going to find out the maximum of this array. Here I can see the maximum of this array is going to be 5, right? This is the maximum of this array. So now what I am going to do, I am going to take my pointer and add it with the extra candy. This is the extra candy. Now after adding this I can see that my extra candy or the resultant is 5, and now I am going to compare the maximum with the 5 value. Now I can see that 5 is equal to 5 or it is greater. I can say it is greater. So in this case what I am going to push to the final vector, I am going to push true to the final vector. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add 3 plus 3 which is 6. Now this is also greater than 5, so I am going to push true. Now 5 plus 3 is 8 which is greater than 5, so I am going to add true. Now I can see 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So in this case what I am going to do, I am going to push false. Now for 3 also I am going to push true as it gives 6 as answer. Okay, so this is the process or the intuition I am going to do. I am just basically going to find out the maximum of this array and I am going to calculate for every iteration. So let's move to the coding part. In the coding part you can see that I am first making a boolean vector where I am going to store all my true and false. Next this is the thing for the point for the maximum. This is the maximum. Now after this what I am doing here, I am checking whether after adding it is greater than max or not. If it is greater, like as you can see it is greater or equal, then I am going to push true as into my answer vector, else I am going to add false into my answer vector. At the end I am going to just return the answer vector. So this is the code and the intuition part. I hope you like the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.